am Dr. Satish Kulkarni, the head of the National Dairy Research Institute, Southern Regional Station, located at Bangalore. So, the work for which we have been recognized is relating to optimization of the various processes for the traditional milk-based products of Southern India. Southern India, comprising of the states of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala and Puducherry, have several milk-based products, and these products we try to optimize the process for manufacture and also to enhance the shelf life for a viable production by any of the organized dairy industry. In this connection, Palada Payasam is one such product from the state of Kerala, which was selected mainly based on its traditional value, since it is being produced for several years in the state of Kerala, and especially Ambalapuram is one of the places in Kerala which is where this Palada Payasam is produced, and this process has been optimized for large scale production, and the end product has got a shelf life of nearly about one year. So, this product has been after having commercially optimized, it has been marketed to the Kerala Milk Marketing Federation Milma, to one of their dairies, and it is being produced by the Calicut dairy for the last 2 years on commercial basis. Apart from this, we also worked on the product called Kundaf of the state of Karnataka, and also a Podo is another milk based product of the state of Orissa, and some of these traditional products have got history of nearly about 2000 years, and these some of these products we have taken it for optimization to enable the dairy industry to produce this on large scale, to end up in the to have products of convenience for the consumers. This is about 3 years back this technology was developed, and this has been commercialized also about 2 years back in the state of Kerala. If you want to produce half liter of Palada Payasam, maybe that you have to look for the ingredients and all. Sometimes these ingredients and all, if you instead of producing from the small scale, you can take this ready mix and then produce the product in a convenient form in about half liter or 1 liter as required by the consumer. There are several traditional milk based products which are there in the southern India, and these products which are quite popular, but at the same time nowadays, because of its not very convenient to produce in small quantity, many people are not producing. So, we thought that if we can optimize a process to bring out a product in a very convenient to use form in any quantity, then perhaps it will be very useful for the consumers, and also it is a value added product for the dairy industry, which fetches more profit to the dairy industry. This is the objective with which this was done. We are working as a institute, we are working on the entire southern Indian products, South Indian products, and Kerala happens to be in South India. So, we selected one of the states, one of the popular products of Kerala as Palada Payasam. Similarly, we have taken products from different states of southern India. Even this can be produced on small scale, not by the farmers, as a cottage industry. It can be taken up by any of the entrepreneurs. In fact, we have got enquiries from the cottage industries for taking of this technology, and we are trying to train some of the people for small scale operation in a cottage or a small scale industry basis. Roughly this type of products can be started with about an investment of about 5 to 6 lakhs is the minimum at which they can start a small scale operation. This process involves mainly concentration of the milk along with the sugar, and this concentration at the optimum level gives the right type of a color. And then ada is one of the rice based product, wherein which we take basically instead of producing the ada, ready made available ada which is there in the market has been taken to produce the end product, and then it is desiccated on a what we call it as crystallization drying technique is what is used for the desiccation of this product, which we have used for producing this. And for this it requires some small equipment if it has to be produced on small scale level. We are continuing our contact with Milma mainly because they want further improvement in the technology, because they want large scale production. So that production we are trying to enhance by working with Milma. It's a totally team research comprising of almost about 11 scientists they are all from Kerala and Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Okay. Comprising, it's a total team effort. One Dr. V. Unnikrishnan was the leader for this Palada Paisam. Okay. He was supported by one Dr. M.K. Baudasan and Dr. B. Surendranath, and they were the other important major team members. And Palada Paisam was totally handled by Dr. V. Unnikrishnan, who recently superannuated or retired from the service from our institute. I am the team leader for all these traditional milk products, and as a head of the institute I am steering this project for all the coordinating the entire activity and also taking care of Karnataka products. I belong to Karnataka, so I take care of the products belonging to Karnataka and related states. The packaging is totally modern packaging, which has gone through this, and since it's a dehydrated product or dry product, it does not really require very expensive packaging, because it's a dried product, stays for a long time. But nevertheless, it has got a two-stage packaging. One inside what we call it as HMSD polymer, and then a carton. Both are used to protect this product. We suggest that there is ample opportunity for commercialization of these products, especially traditional products, which can be high value added products, and also it's the one which is also sought after by the consumers in the country.